Eli, what's going on? It is an airplane. Do you have something attached to you? What's behind you? Oh, buddy. Do you think it's kind of funny too? Yeah. Okay.
What else can I do?
Hey, why don't you just take a load off, Eli? Why don't you sit down and take a load off? Aren't you tired? Oh, you're focusing on those buckles. Alright, buddy. See you later.
My project today.